Another day, another quiz day. We're going over, the quiz that I'm going to be working on. That's Set and HashSet quiz. So let's get it and let's go. Set does not allow duplicate elements. They're not because, yeah, uniqueness in the collection. Mm, yeah, no in any set. There's no duplicates. So it's Java, Python. It's one because it's pretty much based on time and time. You know, you know the default value for time is gonna be one, zero, one. Create one. 1358. But everything gets like sorted in order, so yeah, not true. Well, that doesn't. Both don't allow duplicate elements. Well, this one's the one that's true. Hmm. Also needs to bring attention to the null exception. Null pointer gets mentioned here. There are no duplicate values here, so it's that. 16. And then voila, you have it. There you go. So take care and have a great day. See you all.